Well, there's life here, Jim, but not as we know it. Welcome to Enterprise, one to beam up. Make it so. Hi, I'm William, and welcome to my channel, the Kiwi Vanman. I put this channel together for two reasons. One, to show off the beautiful freedom camping vans that I build and make available for people. And two, to show off this beautiful country of New Zealand. You will see some hard work as I build these beautiful freedom camping vans, but you will also see some of the most beautiful scenery in the world. I'm kept pretty busy, but every opportunity I get, when I have a few days off, I pack up my freedom camping van and I head away. I try to go somewhere different every time, and often to little backwater places that are away from the main tourist routes, the main tourist traps, because there are a lot of beautiful little places around New Zealand that a lot of people don't know about, and they are amazing. So, if you enjoy camping, if you enjoy travel and beautiful scenery, please hit the subscribe down below. It's absolutely free, and every time I post a new movie, a new video, you'll get a little notification that the Kiwi Vanman has just posted a new vid. Also, if you like my movies, hit the like. This is good for me, and it's good for my channel. It sort of raises the profile and the ranking. So hit subscribe, hit the like, and follow me on YouTube as I show you around one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Thanks for watching my vids. I hope you enjoy them, and I look forward to many great adventures. And I also look forward to taking you along with me. Talk again soon. Make it so.